Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Mentorship Corner. My name is Sibiana Mtandazo. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, guys. For today's video, we're talking about my favorite part, which is journaling. So I'm going to share with you guys why it is important to journal, and then I will share with you guys how I do my evening journaling. So before we even begin, let me just say there's different types of journaling, guys. There's your personal journaling, there's your business journaling, there's your career journaling, and well, that's just my types. And then you've got your evening journaling, and then you've got people who journal in the morning. So I generally do, ow, I don't know what's happening with my eye. But anyways, I generally journal at night about an hour or 30 minutes before I switch off and go to bed, mainly because that's what I'm accustomed to. So the reason why I started journaling in the first place back in the, I think back like 3-4 years ago, was because I would have like these ideas, or I'd be going through this like emotional turmoil, and then I can't sleep at night, and then I end up just waking up. I'll take a book or like a notebook, and I'll just scribble down whatever is going on in my mind, and that was actually able to help me to sleep better and to sleep more peacefully. So then what I decided to do was to just try and journal as often as I could every time before I go to bed. Then last year I officially decided to go and buy a daily diary and actually journal every day, which changed my life for the better. So I'm going to share with you guys 4 important reasons that I feel are very important for you to actually start journaling today, to try and change your life for the better. So the first one is basically you will feel more in control. So when you journal, you will feel more in control. The reason why I'm saying this is because you will know what's happening in your life, and then you will know what you can do going forward to try and avoid it, or you will know what you can do to try and get better or to get ahead, depending on whatever stage of your life you want to get to. The second one is basically you will be more aware. So being more aware means you'll be more aware of what's happening in your world. You'll be more aware of what's happening around you, the people around you, and basically you'll be able to make I think better decisions and better choices. The third one is you will be happier. Guys, I can't stress this enough. When I started journaling every day, I was more calm, because then you go to your book, your journal, and you just like offload everything onto that piece of paper. And by the time you go to bed, you're feeling so light, you're feeling so great, you're feeling so grateful, you're feeling so amazing. You just like happy bun, guys. I can't, like, that's just, for me, that was one of the highlights. I was just happier when I started journaling every day. The third one, the last one, which is the fourth one, is basically you will get to know you better. So guys, I'm like a self-love fanatic. I love things that have to do with me getting to know me better, things that have to do with me getting to understand, me better, and how my body works, how my brain works, how my emotions work. So for me, that's like, ooh, wow, that's interesting. Oh, I didn't know that. So journaling made me realize a lot of things about myself that I thought I knew but I didn't know, and it made me want to discover more and made me want to learn more about myself. So for me, that was like a bonus. So those are the 4 important things and 4 important basically lessons, or reasons that should drive and motivate you to actually start journaling. The first one is you will be more in control. You'll feel more in control. You'll be more aware. You will be happier. And the last one is you will get to know you a little bit better. Journaling is basically writing down your day or your days or your month's review. So you basically write down the events of that specific day. You can do your daily reflection, your daily review, and your daily achievements, depending on however you want to, kind of do it. So how I do it, I follow these, let me see how many steps, these 4 steps, and then I've got a bonus step. So stay tuned until the end for you to catch the bonus step. So the first one is basically, I've just recently added that this year, was I decided to add the feeling for the day. So before I started my journaling, I will write feeling for the day. Actually, let me show you guys. Let's open my book so that you can kind of get an idea of, how this whole thing goes, guys. So this is that there is the feeling for the day. So basically I will write at the top feeling for the day, and then I will write how I was feeling overall for the whole day that day. The second thing that I will do is I will write down my highlights for the day. It can be good things, it can be bad things, but anything that was like a highlight for you for the day, you will go and you will write that down. The third one is basically you will write all your achievements for the day and all your lessons for the day. Just write it down, guys. Write it down. So it's very important. And then the last one is basically gratitude journaling. This one is the one that actually made me happier in life, because it made me understand that even though I am at a stage where I'm not really happy with where I am in my life and I want to get to better stages, but it made me understand that I actually have so much already in my life that I should actually be grateful for, because I've come so far. So then it taught me to be grateful for even the smallest things in life. Like even something as little as being able to wake up in the morning and to breathe, and to wake up in the morning and to be on that 7 a.m. call with my mom that I always have every day. That for me is just amazing. Like it's like you appreciate people better, you appreciate life better, and you already, because you already are so appreciative, you treat people better and you treat yourself better as well. And then the bonus one is it's like also my favorite, it's my quote for the day. So every day, if I have a quote that I learned during the day, or a quote that I created during the course of the day because of what I was going through or what I was experiencing, I will then write it down and just like write it there at the bottom of my page, and just write quote for the day, and I'll just squeeze it in there, and I'll be done with my journaling. So I journal almost every day, guys. I journal every day. The reason why I do it is because of the four main reasons. It makes me happier, it makes me feel in control, it makes me to understand me a bit better, and it makes me more aware of everything and almost anything that's happening around me. So before I love and leave you, I am gonna show you guys my journal, the important parts of my journal that I'm like so in love with, and I'll also just show you guys how I do my journaling every day basically, so stay tuned. Okay, so as I said before, I got these from Typo. So guys, this is the first page of my journal name. It's got basically everything. So I generally, okay, yeah, this is too personal, but anyways, I generally write my words of affirmation at the beginning of my journal. I do this with all of my journals, and it's just been amazing. So it has all these features. This thing, let me show you. So it has here my goals and dreams, which go all the way there, but I don't write them here because I generally write my goals at the back of the page. So, and then it's got like your personal information, like how your normal diary looks, and then it's got birthdays. I haven't had any birthdays because, well, I do that on my phone. And then it's got like your normal calendar there, and it's got like your public holidays, your contacts. Who even has contacts these days? And then it's got your zodiac signs. I always just go and highlight my sign, which is a Libra, every year, and then I just leave it as is. So this is the first part. So let me show you guys. Oh guys, this is so personal. Yo, I feel invaded, but anyways, it's fine. So this is how it looks like. So the first page is basically your month review. So it's got your monthly calendar. So I generally write all the important dates here. So if there's like my friends or family's birthdays, I will write them on this calendar. And if there's things that I achieved during the course of the month that are like really big achievements and that were goals that I wanted to achieve, I will generally add them here. And then this is how the day's journal look like. So then let's get a pencil, then I can actually show you guys how I write this thing. So the first thing I will do is I will add feeling for the day. And then I will then write how I was feeling for that specific day. And then I don't really outline highlights or anything, but then I'll just like go and start scribbling my highlights for the day and like my daily summary. And then if there was any lessons or achievements, then I will add lessons, and then I'll write down all my lessons for that specific day. If there was achievements, I will write down achievements, and I will add those there. And then all my achievements, I also go and I add them on my calendar. So this is the first. If I achieve something on the first, I will go here and I'll come to the first, and I'll also add my achievement there. And then I then do my gratitude journaling. So I will write here, grateful for, and then I'll list all the things that I'm grateful for, from basically the fact that I was able to wake up in the morning, to my family, to my loved ones, to growth, to learning something new. I will literally like just write a whole list. I aim for a minimum of 3 to 5 things a day, but I would just like go all out and I'll write everything there. And then the last one is my quote for the day, and then I'll write my quote for the day. So this journal also have like end of the month review. So if you look here, this is 28 Feb. What does this month not have it? I had it on my previous month, guys, I kid you not. Yeah, it had this like a note section at the end of the month where you can actually write down your monthly review and reflection. So yeah, anyways, that's me, guys, for today. And then as I said, when I'm done journaling, I then go back to the back of my book and then I just read my goals, and then I just, you know, my goals, and just review those. So yeah, happy journaling, guys. I love you guys a lot. Bye.